good, y'all? It's your boy Silent, back with another video, man. Shout out to this person right here, Radiohead, man. It's been on my list for a while, actually. You're not the only one who actually requested this in real time at my job. I had a few coworkers been wanting me to do Radiohead for a while. This song is called Android Paranoid or Paranoid Android. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Paranoid Android, yeah, it's Paranoid Android. Shout out to the people who got Androids, man. Androids right here. I know you iPhone users don't like green bubbles, but stop being racist, okay? And I had a dream that one day that blue bubbles and green bubbles will all be on the same screen. This is rock. I'm going to assume. I'm pretty sure Radiohead is rock. So this is gonna be on the rock playlist. Check that out if you want to see a little bit more rock reactions too. We're gonna get right into it. Like, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff, man. Of course, you don't have to, but just so you know, this subscription button is free. Who doesn't like free stuff, you know? Yo, what in the Adult Swim is going on? Did you see that poster? Broski, you can't use shampoo, man. The vocals, hold up. Oh! Now the question is he black or is he Asian? I mean, he's probably Blasian, he's probably both. Did you hear the vocals though? The vocals were crazy. You know what sucks is that like I took a shower and I was using shampoo and I actually got shampoo in my eyes this morning too. So if you see me doing this a lot, that's the reason why. Vocals, damn. It's Adult Swim stuff, man. It's little. Is he black or Asian? Like, is he both? Is that Murdoch? Was that Murdoch's ugly ass? I swear, man. Oh, that's not Murdoch. It looked like him. I was close, though. I was close. And they were so disappointed. And they just, after they're driving all that, that's you wrong for that. So I guess if you were to ask this, whoever the artist is, you were to ask if he's an ass or a boobs person, I mean, seems pretty obvious what he's into. Yeah, your country cooked. Sorry, my man. Are those rats? Does that fish have? You can tell this is like what the 90s people were on. Oh, don't show it. Okay. Wait. Did you? What is he grab? god, this guitar solo is crazy work. Oh, I wish I could play an instrument, man. That's the guy from the meeting. This gives me Bohemian Rhapsody, low key, man. Don't fall, man. Don't jump. Is that that's the political dude? What's he about to do? Oh my god. I should not have done the music video. I should just listen to the song. I am missing out on so much stuff right now. This is the last person I want to save me, man. If Batman came to me and started doing this, I'm like, you know what? I'll jump. I'll jump right now. I'm not going on the news and it says Silent gets saved by a dominatrix politician. Oh man, that's a beautiful voice, man. He is still, I close my eyes and he's still going after this pole, the axe. That's me. This is me. This is me. Oh my gosh, that guy shaking his head is so me right now. The video is low-key keeping me distracted. This goddamn lawnmower guy is... I love this. I love stuff like this. It's like a bridge. The rain down on me is still going. How did you even manage that? Thank God. Gosh, man, I wish I could play good instruments, man. Gods, man. Gods, man. God, man. I can't believe it's over, man. Can't believe it's over. Is that it? I need to listen to this again without the video. Oh, man. This part right here. This part right here. That's probably my favorite part right here. This part though. This. When from the guitar solo to this verse right here, the rain down,